Hello, let's play a Kakuro puzzle. This is called Sweet 16 by Prasanna Seshadri, a source of some GM puzzles. There's a link in the description. So what we need to do is we need to place a number 1 through 9 in each of these cells, and they can't repeat within the same clue. So these four cells are in the same clue. This 14 clue, we can't repeat a digit. But once we get down here, it's a new clue, we can repeat digits. And so can't repeat digit in these four, can't repeat digit in these four, etc. Now the clue, if it's below the slash, it's for the column. If it's above the slash, it's for the row, and that's just the sum of the digits. And that's it. I'm going to get started right now. Okay. So the trick is to look for restricted stuff. See if we have any ins. Yeah, so 24 and 3. If you add up 7, 8, 9, that's 24. So that's the biggest it can be. So that's what we got to do, 7, 8, 9. Now this is 16 in 2, which is only 7, 9. Can't do 8, 8 because that would repeat the 8. So this is a 7, 9 pair then. There's no clue here. Any other restrictions? 18, 20, 14, 29 and 5. That's not useful. 16 and 2 here is 7, 9. Oh, 23 and 3 has to be 6, 8, 9. 24 is 7, 8, 9. If we want to subtract 1 from that, the only digit we can subtract 1 from is the 7 if we don't want to repeat a digit. And so this is actually has to be the 9, and this is the 7, and then this is a 6, 8 pair. So this is 6, 8, and this is 6, 8. Okay, this is 16, and we already have like big digits here. Let's see. Can this be a 9? Yeah. Well, let's see. If this was an 8, this could not be 9 because that would already add to 17. So this would be 8, 7, and then 1. So that's an option. If this was 6, these would add to 10. So this would be 1, 2, or 3. So I guess this is always 1, 2, or 3 is, I guess, the point. The smallest we can be is 6 plus 7, which is 13. 3 more gets you to 16. Okay, but there's no clue here to help. This is 16, so that's a 7, 9. But this is why it's called Sweet 16. There's so many 16s over here. So 18 and 3, this is pretty big. 18 and 4, this is pretty big. So these add to at least 7 plus 8, which is 15. So these add to at most 3. So that's the minimum they can add to is 1, 2, which is 3. And so this has to be 7, 8, I believe. So let's just redo the math here. To get to 18, 7 plus 8 is 15, plus another 3 should be 18. Okay. Why does this seem wrong, though? Oh, I know, it's right. This would add to 10. That's 8. Okay, sorry. It seemed wrong, but it's right. That's not an 8 anymore. Don't know if that matters. 16 here. 16 here. This is 7, 9. I should look for more 16s. There's so many of them. 16 and 5 is actually only 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the minimum you could add to in 5 is 15. And so we need to add 1 to that. So it has to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Now, how do we restrict this? Well, we can't put a 1, a 2, or a 3 on a 13 and 2. So this is going to be 4 plus 9, or it's going to be 6 plus 7. All right. Now this is 16 and 3, which I don't really want to think about right now. 20 and 3. So the maximum this could be is 8, 9, which is 17. So this can't be 1 or 2. Same with this 20. The maximum this could be is 8, 9, which is 17. So this can't be 1, 2. So we know there's a 1 and a 2 in this row. They have to go here and here because they can't go here, here, here. So let's just erase these and fill out the 1, 2 pair. All right, 29 and 5. Yeah, 14 and 4. I'm not seeing anything special there. I don't know much about this. Oh, another 16 and 5. So this is our 6. That's our 8. And these are from 1, 2, 3, 4. This adds to 7. So we're either 1 plus 6, 2 plus 5, 3 plus 4, or 2 plus... What did I do? Oh, sorry. Or Sorry, 3 plus 4 or 4 plus 3. I got confused. 12 and 2. Do I have anything else? 31 and 5. So the maximum 5 could add to is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, but this max is at 4 actually. So these could add to 30 though. Because 6, 7, 8, 9 is 30. So this could be a 1. Okay, that doesn't help me. 16 here, 5. Let's just fill 1, 2, 3, 4 here for the 5. 21 and 4. 11 and 3, 10 and 2, 18 and 3. None of these are helpful. How about 29 and 5? No, I've looked at that several times. 29 and 5 is no good. What clue have I missed? How about this? These need to add to 8 now. So how are they going to add to 8? Well, certainly not with a 9. So that's 7, and that's 9, and that's 7. And so 8 plus 7, yeah, this needs to be a 1 then. And that's 2, and that's 1. Oh, 16. This is 7, 9 now. So these need to add to 9. Oh, these need to add to 15. So that's either 6, 9 or 7, 8. So the 6, 9 would have to go 6 here with 9 here. And that would work with a 3 here. Or it would be a 7, 8 pair. So we could be 7 here with an 8 here. With a 7 here, this would be a 2, but that doesn't work. So that can't actually be 7. What if this was 8? Then this would have to be 1. That doesn't work. The minimum this is 3. And the minimum this is 6. Sorry, the maximum this one is 6. Right? Is that what I'm thinking? These two add to 15. No, this... Sorry, the minimum here is 3. And that brings us to 12. So this is 6 or lower, but the minimum it can be is 6. So yes, it has to be 6, 3. I'm pretty confident in that. So this is 15. This is 6, 9. So this is 7 and 9 here. So this has to 16. So this is a 4. So that's not 4. This is 6 now. 13 is 6 plus 7. That gives us the 3 here. So these two need to add to 17. That has to be an 8, 9 pair. Okay, that's pretty big for this. Now these two, we have 7. So these two add to 9 again. So we need a... There's plenty of options. 1, 8, 2, 7, 3, 6, 4, 5. All right. 18. What about this 8 or 9 on a 14? If this was 8, well, okay, so let's think about it this way. The minimum this could add to is 6. And 14 minus 6 is 8. So this can't ever be a 9. This has to be 8. That's 9. And then this has to be 1, 2, 3. So that 6 plus 8 is 14. No clue here. This is 14. These are both low. They add to a maximum of 5. So these add to at least 9. These are both pretty low. These add to a maximum of 4. Plus a 9 is 13. So these need to get from 13 to 29. So that's going to be 16. So this is 16 or 17. So it's 7, 8, or 9. 7, 8, or 9. This is definitely not a 7. That's pretty big for this. Yeah, this has to be 8, 7, 1 for the 16. That's 8, 7, 1. So this is not an 8. We still don't know exactly how this works out, but these now need to add to 17. That's an 8, 9 pair. Well, what happened up here? How did I... Okay. That's an 8, 9 pair. So this is pretty big for the 11. The minimum here is 3. So the maximum here is the 8. So that's 8. This is a 1, 2 pair. This is 9. And then we can't be 1 plus 9 here for the 10 because 9's already in the row. So this is 2 plus 8. This is already 17. So these need to add to 4. So that's a 1, 3 pair. These add to 10. 14, huh? 15. 16. What can I do here? I feel like I should be able to resolve up here. There's nothing that's going to help. Is it the 14 then, or the 13 maybe? So if this was 9, these would add to 4. They'd be a 1-3 pair. If we did that, these would add to 6. So this would be an 8. That's fine. So if this was 9, this would be 4. These would add to 4, so it would be 1-3 pair. No, they'd, yeah. If this was 7, these would add to 6. Which seems okay. Max. So this is max 5. These are both max 5. I don't know what to do with that. How's this resolve? It has to, right? Like, I don't think I get any more information here that'll help me resolve this. Is it the 29 maybe? Oh, this 9 looks up, so this is 7. Okay, so that I mean, unfortunately that means this adds to 6, but it doesn't have a 3. But now this is 7, 8, 9. That's 24. So we need 5 more. So this has to be a 3. Otherwise we can't get to 5. This is 3, this is 2, this is 1. So these are not 3s. This one's not 1. So this is 2 and 1. So this can't be 1 or 2. This can't be 1. So this needs to add to 13. So we have 7 already. These add to 6. We have to do 2, 4. All right. And then this is 14. We already have, yeah, this has to be 7. I think it's at the 10 with the 4. Okay. That area is done. Nice. I knew it was possible. Oh, this 11, we already have 10. This is 1. That's 3 and 1. This can't be 1 or 3. This adds to 5. We can't do 4, 1 either, because this can't be a 1. So this is 2 and 3. So this adds to 4, so this has to be a 6. And then this adds to 6, so this has to be an 8. Where did that 2 come from? All right. 6 plus 8 is 14. That's a 1. So these add to 15. So this cannot be anything but 6. This is 6 and 9. So this is our 1. So these cannot be 1s. All right. 31 and 5. The maximum for 5 is 35. All right, what do we have here? 15, 12? Huh. 24 and 3. Oh, it's 7, 8, 9. Okay, I missed that the whole time. Oh, this can't be 7 or 9, so that's an 8. So this is either 7 plus 5 or 9 plus 3. If this was 9, that's pretty big to get for 14, right? The minimum here is 1, 2, 3, which is 6, which means the maximum here is 8. So this is 7, this is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. So these need to add to 7 and 3. The only way to add to 7 and 3 is 1, 2, 4. But these two add to 12, so this can't be 1 or 2. This has to be the 4 with the 8. And so now this is 2 and 1. And so we should be able to figure this out. Sorry, this isn't 1 or 2. It's not 2. Oh, this is just a 3, 4 pair. Hopefully that works. Yeah, that adds to 16. So I need to figure out this then. 31. These add to 24. So these two need to add to, sorry, 7. So they're a 3, 4 pair, but this can't be 3. So that's 4, that's 3, that's 4. 15, so 1, 3, 4 adds to 8. So we need this to be a 7. Phew, it's correct. That was a lot of mental math. All right, that took a decent amount of time, but I had fun. Definitely on the harder side of the easy end. I don't know how to put that, but because I only picked the easy end of puzzles. But this was on I think this is the hardest Kakuro I've done on the channel so far, is what I'm trying to say. Anyway, how'd you do?